today you just make us brush up all the differentiated learning strategies, learning as well as teaching strategies, and how we can implement it, even having the restrictions like time constraint as well as the classroom dynamics. Also, you suggested us how can we execute, how can we come up as holistic as well as approachable and inclusive person, so that the students enjoy a non-threatening environment, and also the students become democratic, psychologically healthy, and as well as they are open to learn new things without
Thank
any
you.
hesitation. And thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am, you
Samita.
explained all the things so well, and the definitions which you put forth, it just breaks the monotony of the session. I could not realize how these 3 hours passed, and it
True,
was
true.
really ice-breaking session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It was a great experience, ma'am. Basically, I am an accounting professional
Okay.
with 11 years of experience, and teaching is something that I will be doing for the
Mm-hmm.
first time. I will be taking it up for the first time. So, as I mentioned, like a blend of techniques and personal experiences of people, those who are already teachers as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, the slide content and everything was very nice. So, thank you so much.
Yeah, few things were there which we have already learned in our B.Ed and M.Ed, but today it was a great brush up. And I think one of my team, member here said that the way you have explained it, in such, a simple manner, that is something which has grabbed our attention. And the way you were, asking us to collaborate and engage, and even, pinpointing certain things that has to be highlighted, and certain things that can be, subsided, so that we don't deviate from the, major discussion, was beautifully managed. And as my friend rightly said, that how 3 hours passed, we could not, even guess it. Before joining, I was thinking, oh, 3 hours webinar. But now I'm saying, oh, only 3 hours. I could have,
Thank
listened
you.
to you for another 2-3 hours more. Such
Thank you.
interesting thing. And the way we have done the breakout rooms, the discussion with the cohort, everything was planned and beautifully executed. Thank you so much for this wonderful session. I'm definitely going to implement the 6 hat. That is something which is interesting. I've done it in one session, but today I have gained more insights on it, how exactly that has to be, facilitated, especially amongst the adult learners. So thank you so much for that. It was an amazing and interesting session.
It was awesome. Actually, I just, if I'm here to you, I'll give you one e-hug. Okay,
Ah,
just
that's
get
so
my
sweet of
e-hug.
you,
Yeah,
Stebby. Thank
sure.
you. You're doing a great job, Stebby, and I'm wishing
Yeah.
you all the very best. I think
Thank you so much. And I
this is
was
the magic
inspired
of
by you.
Asian College of Teachers, let me tell you. I've really
Yeah.
not done anything. The
See, I
magic
have
is
booked
what you
for
all
the
have
session
done.
for from January. Okay, but I was not able to do, and they gave me some excuses and was able to do now. And just now I'm being free because here the students are having their vacation time and they are leaving. Okay, so I'll be free a little bit and I'll be engaging myself from now. And it was great
Excellent.
time to have you. Okay, and session was so good.
So, it was a wonderful experience. As I said, that the duty of teacher is to bring out the potential. So, I learned that you bring out the potential of each one of
Oh,
us.
thank you.
So
Thank
that
you.
was an amazing experience as a teacher, which I learned that you are encouraging us. Like, this is the thing you can do during your the break session and all. So loved it. I'm
Thank you.
happy to be here in the webinar today.
Experience from today is thank you everyone. Thank you, Trina ma'am, because I had many things from Trina ma'am. Trina ma'am said something more amazing. So I had a
Right.
good experience with ma'am, and all the breakout sessions, both the breakout sessions were amazing, ma'am, because I had a good interact with everyone.
Yes.
And thanks a lot to you, ma'am. It was an amazing session. It was an amazing session. Didn't expect to go through this well.
Thank
And
you.
a real heartfelt thanks, ma'am.
First, thank you so much, Miss, for this wonderful session. It's really fruitful, and really learned a lot. And I also, the session also helped me to reflect
Mm-hmm.
and also kind of refresh all the
True.
learnings that I already acquired before from the previous webinars that I also attended, from the books and also research that I've done. And yes, this is going to be very helpful with my capstone project that I am actually preparing to do to
All the
finish
best.
my master's degree. So thank you so much also to everyone for sharing their insights and perspectives. Although there are times that we had a little bit of conflict by sharing different ideas, still it you managed to actually return the topic to its real purpose. And also, yeah, like you mentioned, there is no perfect school. Every school has its own flaws, and all you need to do as an educator is just not to be afraid to share what you think can bring difference to your school, because sometimes the management is also just waiting for people to speak up and
Yes.
share what they think they can do, enable to improve the education system. Because sometimes we have those things in our mind and we're afraid to share, thinking that they will not listen to us. But you telling us that just share. If they don't listen, at least they know that you have something that you want
Mhm.
to use to create these changes, especially with this 21st century. There's still a lot of traditional type of learning, but giving all this information will surely help a lot of schools and also educators. Thank you so much for everyone.
Absolutely.
Have a
Thank you so
wonderful
much.
Saturday and weekend.